Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda, is known for its cleanliness, safety, and vibrant culture. Nestled among rolling hills, it boasts stunning views and a mild climate. Here are some key points about Kigali. History. Post-colonial era. Kigali became the capital of Rwanda in 1962, following independence from Belgium. The city played a central role during the 1994 genocide, which has profoundly shaped its history and development. Reconstruction. Since the genocide, Kigali has undergone significant reconstruction and development, focusing on unity and reconciliation, culture, art, and music. Kigali has a thriving art scene with galleries, music festivals, and cultural events. Traditional dance and music play a vital role in Rwandan culture. Cuisine. Rwandan food includes staples like cassava, beans, and plantains. Local markets are great places to sample traditional dishes. Attractions. Genocide. Memorial, the Kigali. Genocide Memorial serves as a poignant reminder of the past, educating visitors about the events of 1994 and promoting healing and remembrance. Inema Art Center, a hub for contemporary art showcasing works by local artists. Kigali Convention Center, an architectural landmark, it hosts various events and conferences. Development Urban Planning. Kigali is known for its organized urban planning and efforts to become a hub for technology and innovation in Africa. Green Initiatives. The city emphasizes sustainability with initiatives like car-free days and the promotion of green spaces. Transportation. Public transport. The city has a growing public transport network, including buses and motorcycle taxis, known as Moto. Kigali represents a blend of history, culture, and modernity, making it a unique and compelling destination. What do you think? Do you have your favorite city to share with me? If yes, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.